Everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make your own extracts at home. They're absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you how to make vanilla extract as well as a couple others that'll just blow your mind, and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's get started. Vanilla extract is so easy to make at home. The first step we're going to need is some vanilla beans. I ordered these off of Amazon, but you can actually get them at the grocery store. For some reason, my grocery store, they no longer sell them. So I ordered them online, and these are Madagascar vanilla beans. You're gonna need whole vanilla beans. So they should look like this. These vanilla beans smell so good, so good. Okay. So for this particular recipe, I'm only going to make like a 4-ounce jar of the vanilla extract. So for that, I'm going to use about 3 of these beans. Now, vanilla beans can be expensive, so don't get me wrong. But if you like to be able to customize your vanilla or have something, you know, all the ingredients are inside, I usually will make vanilla extract and make a special batch, and I usually only make it or use it for special occasions. It doesn't go in my everyday baking or, you know, just any old thing. I usually reserve it for like holidays or special treats that we're doing, and then I'll pull out my vanilla. I love a bourbon vanilla. That's my favorite. Bourbon vanilla and baked apples. Chef's kiss, so good. If you haven't tried it, try it. I used to make that all the time for Christmas breakfast. Absolutely delicious. All right, now I'm just gonna take a knife and I'm gonna cut my beans in half. There we go. And then I'm also going to slice them down the middle. So just give them a nice little score. There we go. So you want the inside to be exposed just a little bit. It doesn't need to be exposed a ton, but inside you've got the vanilla paste. So when you get done making your vanilla and you take your beans out, do not throw them away. Don't throw them away. You can open the beans, scrape out the insides, and then you'll have a vanilla paste that you can also use in recipes. Vanilla paste is a little bit more concentrated than vanilla extract, so you can use it a little bit more sparingly. But once you got it open, you're just gonna drop it into your jar. And I'm gonna repeat this with all of my beans. Now, if you're just making regular old vanilla extract, you're gonna use vodka to make your extract. A lot of people don't realize, but extracts are actually made with the base of alcohol. So you'll use the vanilla and the vodka together to make your extract. So I've just got some regular old vodka here, and I'm just gonna pour it all the way up into my jar. And I want it to cover the vanilla beans. So just about that much, just under the lip to where it's covering the top vanilla bean. You want a jar that has a nice tight lid. There we go. And now you're gonna leave this in a dark place like your pantry for about 3 weeks at the minimum. However, if you can go for as long as 2 months without using it, it's gonna be the perfect concentrate of vanilla extract, and your vanilla will go from looking like this to this. To make your bourbon vanilla, you're just gonna take your favorite bourbon and you're just gonna pour it right on in there, just like we did the vodka. Seal it up tight, and then in 2 months, you'll have the most delicious bourbon vanilla you've ever had. You can make lemon and orange extract the exact same way, but you'll just take the rinds of the orange as well as the rinds of the lemons, and you'll just put those in the bottles instead, and then pour the vodka on top. And again, in 2 months, you'll have delicious lemon and orange extract. You're just gonna take your potato peeler and just peel off the rind of the lemon. I recommend you get as many of these pieces as you can, especially if you want a nice strong lemon extract. If you want it a little bit weaker, you can do less, but I'm going to peel this entire lemon. If it's lemon, I want to taste. Be careful not to get too much of the white part of the lemon though, because that's going to be bitter. Scoop all these together. Stick them in my bottle and top it off with vodka. If you're looking for extract containers like this, I actually got these on Amazon. I typed in spice containers, and this is what popped up. I'm gonna do the same thing with the orange. And this is how you can make your own extracts at home. I've got my basic vanilla, bourbon vanilla, lemon, and orange. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. And if you did, go ahead and give this video